Hey guys, today I'm filming my updated perfume collection for 2018. I filmed 2 other perfume collections on my channel before, and I will have those linked up in the cards. It's really fun for me to look back on those videos and see how my tastes have changed over the years. For instance, in the last one of my favorite perfumes was Pacsun Lilu. I had 2 bottles of it. It's been discontinued, and over the past couple weeks I just pushed myself to use it up. I still like that perfume, but it doesn't quite meet my tastes anymore, and I want perfume that's a little more grown up, not like too mature, but just something that's a little bit more sophisticated. So I no longer have that one, and I've just moved on to other fragrances. So I don't have a huge perfume collection because perfume is really expensive and my tastes do change, and I don't want to use up half a bottle and then not like it anymore. So I try to stick to 1 or 2 perfumes per season. So I do have right now 2 for spring, 1 for summer, and then I have 3 that I use in fall and winter. So I will run through all of these perfumes for you guys. I'm not the best at describing scents, so I am going to read you the scent notes from the Sephora website. I will have all of these perfumes listed and linked in the description box with their fragrance notes. The first perfume I want to start with is my Scentbird perfume, and this is not a Scentbird sponsored video, but this is something that I was sent for free for review purposes. So I wanted to let you guys know about this fragrance and their service. So Scentbird is a monthly perfume subscription. They offer over 450 designer fragrances, both in cologne and perfume. You get a 30-day supply for $14.95 a month. But if you use my code LHH30, I'll have it here on the screen, you get 30% off, making your first month only $10. But that's not the best part of this deal. If you guys shop through Ebates, you can get 40% cash back. Y'all heard me. 40% cash back, which means you're gonna get $4 back when you buy this $10 perfume, making this essentially $6. The size of this is 0.27 ounces, which is about the size you get in a rollerball. And if you went to buy a rollerball from the department store, it would cost you between $25 and $30. So to get it for $6, freaking amazing. So now to talk about the perfume that I chose from Scentbird. I chose Mon Guerlain, which is an incredibly expensive perfume. And quite a while ago, I had gotten a little sample from some online order for this perfume. And for me, I can tell right away if I hate something, but sometimes there are perfumes where I'm not quite sure if I just like it or if I love it enough to invest in the full size. So I was really excited to see that this perfume was available on Scentbird. So on the Sephora website, this perfume is categorized as warm and spicy, and the key notes are jasmine, lavender, and vanilla. Now, I'm someone that doesn't really like warm and spicy scents, but there are a few here that I have and love because they have a great mixture to them. If it's a warm spicy scent mixed with floral and with fruity, then it's so much easier for me to handle. I like warm and spicy stuff for home, but not so much for my body. But this one has a perfect amount of a warm scent mixed with some florals, so it isn't too overpowering. Now, this is an eau de parfum, so it is going to last longer on the skin, and it is going to have a stronger scent. And this is something I definitely see myself using a lot in fall and winter. Moving on to the rest of my fragrances, the first one here is Marc Jacobs Daisy. This used to be one of my all-time favorite perfumes. The only negative about this is that it is an eau de toilette, which means that it doesn't have the strongest scent and it doesn't have the best lasting power on me. And for a perfume that costs this much, I just want it to last on me for a good portion of the day, and this one just seems to disappear so quickly, which is so sad because I love the scent. This to me is a very grown-up floral, which I love, and if they ever made this in an eau de parfum, I would definitely repurchase it. This is something that I really love. I might buy it again in the future, but for now I want to pan it just because I'm so annoyed that it doesn't last on me. So Sephora categorizes this as a fruity floral perfume, and the key notes are strawberry, violet leaves, and jasmine. And I love that it is mostly floral, but you have a little bit of that fruity element to make it a little sweeter. So I definitely love the scent combination in this perfume, and this is one of my go-tos for spring. But I do also have a rollerball size of this, so I'm going to try to pan the big bottle, but I will keep this in my collection to use whenever I'm missing this scent or for traveling purposes. My next fragrance is my new go-to for the springtime. This is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I just used up my rollerball, and then for my birthday my sister gifted me the 3.4 fluid ounce bottle, which is amazing. She had gotten this in a gift set a while ago and never really used it, so she gave it to me because she knew I loved it, which was so freaking nice of her. Sephora says that the style of this perfume is deep and true, and this has quite a few different scent notes: Sicilian Citron, Bluebell, Granny Smith Apple, Jasmine, Sambac, Bamboo, White Rose, Cedarwood, Amber, and Musk. So you do have fruit, florally, and some warm spicy notes in there, which makes such a nice combination. Unfortunately, this is also an eau de toilette, so it doesn't last the longest on me, but I love this perfume so much that I do see myself working through the whole bottle, and then at that point we'll see if I want to repurchase it or not. But even though this does not last the longest on my body, I love this perfume so much. I know they make an intense version. If you guys have tried the original and the intense, let me know if they actually smell the same. Next we have my summer fragrance, which is Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy. This is an eau de parfum, so it does have a bit of a stronger scent and it does last on me longer. So I have this 3.4 ounce size. I have a 1 fluid ounce size, which I had gotten first in a gift set, and then I came across this in a gift set from TJ Maxx. It was on clearance for an amazing price I couldn't pass up, and I really do love this perfume, so I had to snatch them both. Then I have this little itsy bitsy baby size, which is really tiny font. It is 0.17 fluid ounces. This is such a cute bottle. I can't wait to use it up and keep it on display. And then I have a double-ended rollerball with the original Viva La Juicy and also the Viva La Juicy Noir. So I have a bunch of these all around because I just love it so freaking much. So Sephora categorizes this as a warm floral, and the key notes are wild berries, jasmine, and vanilla. So again, you have a fruity, a floral, and a warm scent all put together, which is such an amazing combination, and this just makes me so ready for summer. This replaced my Lilu PacSun perfume as my go-to summer scent, and I'm set for life on this one. And then my last 3 perfumes I just interchanged throughout fall and winter. The first being the Viva La Juicy Noir fragrance. This is an eau de parfum, so it does have a stronger scent and it does last longer on the body. I have this in the 3.4 ounce size, and then I had gotten this in a gift set with this double-ended rollerball of the original Viva La Juicy and Viva La Juicy Noir. The notes of this fragrance would be succulent ripe berry, honeysuckle, and sandalwood. So again, you have a fruity, a florally, and a warm element, and I just think it smells incredible. It is a little bit deeper than the original Viva La Juicy, which is why I love this for fall and winter. And again, it isn't too warm and spicy because it's a fine line for me, but these last 3 just are perfection. My next fragrance would be Ralph Lauren Midnight Romance. This is an eau de parfum, so it does have a stronger scent and a longer lasting power. I own this in a 3.4 ounce size, and then I also have this half fluid ounce little purse spray I had gotten as part of a free gift. And the notes of this fragrance would be peony, raspberry, vanilla, and ambrox. I don't know what that one is, but again, you have a fruity, floral, and warm note, and just the perfect combination for me. So this is definitely one I love wearing fall and winter, and it's also a nice date night perfume. Literally all of these fall winter ones I think would be good for a date night. They're just sexier scents to me. My last fragrance is YSL Black Opium. This is an eau de parfum, so it does have a stronger scent and it does last longer on the skin. I have the 1 fluid ounce bottle as well as the 0.33 fluid ounce purse spray. I had gotten these 2 in a gift set, and it was still very expensive considering that this is the smallest bottle you can buy from them. And then about a month ago from Sephora with a coupon code, I had gotten this little itsy bitsy 0.25 fluid ounce bottle, which again is just so cute. I can't wait to use it up and have it for display purposes. I just think the bottle looks so freaking luxe, but this is an incredibly expensive perfume. The notes in this fragrance would be black coffee, white flowers, and vanilla. So it is a mostly warm, spicy scent, but you do have a little bit of floral in there to tone it down a bit. So this is like as spicy as I will go, but I think it is a super sexy smelling scent. So guys, that was my entire perfume collection. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I would love to know what perfumes you guys have in your collection. What is your signature scent? And do you have any of the perfumes that I have here? Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.